In this video, we will look at jobs that pay weekly or more often. From work from home opportunities to easy side hustles, there's something for you online. You just need to find it. So what are you waiting for? Start earning cash today on your terms, when you want, where you want, and from anywhere. You're gonna love this. Whoop! Before we dive in, you need to know remote jobs and working from home is my passion, and getting you to that point is my goal as well. So in my bio down below and in the first pinned comment, make sure to use these sources that I've created for you, and I really know that they will help you. So first is our free Facebook group with people like yourself wanting to earn online, and then also a link to a free quiz down below showing you which social media jobs you could do from home that best suit you. Don't be a fence sitter, be an action taker. Become a work from home ninja and see how much your life improves. So another great way to earn from home at your own time is very similar to Instacart, but it's called DoorDash. And I'm sure you've had DoorDash, you've heard of it, you probably have gotten it for yourself. I use DoorDash all the time. So what are some cool things about DoorDash on your time, your goals, and you're the boss? Stop and start when you want. You can sign up to be on the wait list. You get to earn with the best. Number one food and drink app in the entire U.S., which is nice. You have that credibility across the U.S., Canada, and Australia. You decide when you work and how much you work, and whether you dash now or schedule when you deliver. You can forget about reporting to an office or a boss. So again, this is cool. Like a lot of the freedom that comes with setting your own schedules and things like that. I'm a huge advocate for that. And set your own course. Choose whether or not to accept orders, find demand near you, and earn more instantly with promotions like challenges and peak pay and DashWrap. So what's cool is they give you more opportunities to earn. Your schedule is pretty much up to you. If you need money, just go out and get it. It's pretty simple. The base pay, you always earn base pay for any delivery. Base pay is calculated based on the estimated time, distance, and desirability of the order, plus tips. So on top of that, you get tips. And then you also get, so customers can tip you anytime you choose to accept the delivery. And most deliveries include a tip. You always receive 100% of the tips, which is nice. Plus promotions. Promotions like peak payday and challenges help you earn more delivery when it's busy. Challenges let you earn extra money for completing a certain number of deliveries in a set amount of time. So they're rewarding you for basically going above and beyond. You can also get some Dasher gear. We'll send you a Dasher activation kit that contains items like a food warming bag, red card, hand sanitizer, and a mask for Dasher safety. Since no two people have the same taste in gear, there's an online store if you want to check that out as well. So here are some requirements for DoorDash. You got to be 18 years old. You do have to have some kind of way to get around. It doesn't have to be a car, but it could be a scooter or a bike. So those are something to keep in mind. You do need to have a driver's license, social security number in the U.S., and a background check. You know, these companies want to make sure that you're someone that isn't doing anything weird. So where's DoorDash available? It's available in over 7,000 cities in the U.S. and 80 cities in Canada, in Melbourne, Australia, Japan, Germany, New Zealand, and a lot are coming soon. How long does it take to start working with DoorDash? Our sign-up process takes a few minutes, and most Dashers can start earning within days. Boom, so there you have it. For the best ways to work from anywhere online, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon because many of my posts are time sensitive. Job openings are first come, first serve, so I want you to be the first one in line to see these jobs for you at home. If not, these are the videos that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And as always, much love to you and your family. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.
Report to the dance floor. The bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club.